Morning, students. Welcome to CR Maths class. Today I am going to discuss graphs of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and quadratic expression also. See that first one. If a greater than 0, and the curve is upwards. If a greater than 0, the curve is upwards. By observing the discriminant, we will say that the curve is neither touch nor intersect, either touch or intersect to the x-axis. Then we will decide. If a greater than 0 and discriminant is less than 0, b square minus 4 is, then the graph of ax square plus bx plus c lies entirely above the x-axis. See the diagrams here. There are three diagrams. This is x-axis. This is y-axis origin. This is x, y, origin. X-axis, origin. This is y-axis. Students, remember here, if a greater than 0 and discriminant is less than 0 means the curve is entirely above the x-axis. It's turning upwards. Okay. Next. Second one, see that if a greater than 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. That means coefficient of x square greater than 0 and discriminant exactly 0. Then what we will say? The curve touches the x-axis and lies entirely above the x-axis. See the diagrams here. There are three diagrams. Follow anyone, no problem. Delta is equal to 0, a greater than 0. The curve is touch the x-axis and lies entirely above the x-axis. Okay. If a less than 0, discriminant greater than 0. A greater than 0, a greater than 0, and discriminant greater than 0. The graph of the curve and upwards to the parabola, which cuts the x-axis at two distinct points. The curve intersects the x-axis at 2 points. See that? But a greater than 0 means always the curve is upward parabola. Upward parabola. Okay. Next. If a less than 0, the curve is downward parabola. If a less than 0 and discriminant less than 0. So the graph of the curve lies entirely below the x-axis. Entirely below the x-axis. See here diagrams. There are three diagrams. This is x-axis, origin. This is y-axis. Here observe that a less than 0 means the curve is looking downwards like this. This is a less than 0. Upward means what? A greater than 0. Then by observing the discriminant, then we will decide the curve is touching x-axis, intersecting x-axis, or entirely above or below the x-axis. Okay. So in this case, the curve is entirely below the x-axis. Right. So I'm going to next point. See here, if a less than 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. A less than 0 means the curve looking downwards, and discriminant is equal to 0 means the curve touches the x-axis, but where? Entirely below the x-axis and touch the x-axis. The curve is entirely below the x-axis and touch the x-axis. Next, last point. If a less than 0, discriminant greater than 0, a less than 0, delta greater than 0, then the graph of ax square plus bx plus c is downward parabola which cuts the x-axis at two distinct points. Cut the x-axis at two distinct points. See, these are the two distinct points. Understood? If a less than 0, delta greater than 0, the curve cuts the x-axis at two distinct points. Maximum and minimum values of ax square plus bx plus c. Here observe that if a greater than 0, if a less than 0. By observing a value, then we will decide that the given function has maximum or minimum. If a greater than 0, f of x has absolute minimum. Absolute minimum. At x is equal to minus b by 2a. At particular point minus b by 2a, f of x function has minimum. Then how to find out the minimum value? This is the formula, 4ac minus b square by 4a. If a less than 0, greater than 0 means minimum, less than 0 means maximum, opposite. F of x has absolute maximum at x is equal to minus b by 2a. The maximum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. Both having either maximum or minimum, same formula only. Okay, but by observing the a value, then we will decide that we get maximum or minimum. How to identify that? We know that f of x is equal to, this is ax square plus bx plus c. Here take a common and simplify that. Finally, you will get like this. That is x plus b by 2a whole square minus b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. By observing this, we will say, okay, now f of x means take as y. So this is represent a one parabola. Now here observe that this is coordinate system. Anywhere you can take parabola. If a greater than 0, the curve is upwards now. But suppose I am taking here, this is the curve. A greater than 0, the curve is looking upwards. What about discriminant? We don't know. Now, the curve having that minimum value, where it is minimum? At point here. This is minimum value at particular point here. Already we know that this is a point, x is equal to minus b by 2a. The minimum value is, this is the formula, 4ac minus b square by 4a. This value. This point we will say that is turning point, minus b by 2a comma 4ac minus b square by 4a. Students understood? If a greater than 0, at x is equal to minus b by 2a, the curve has minimum value. Minimum value. So what is the formula? At x is equal to minus b by 2a, the minimum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. Please note down. Next, if a less than 0, we know that the curve is looking downwards. For suppose I am writing like this is the curve. Okay. Now this is the maximum. A less than 0 means this is maximum. Here this is x value, x-axis, y-axis, origin. This is x is equal to minus b by 2a, and this point y 4ac minus b square by 4a. This point we will say that turning point of the curve. Okay, so if a less than 0, the curve has maximum where at x is equal to minus b by 2a. But what is maximum value? 4ac minus b square by 4a. Okay, this is a very, very important concept. Remember it, formula. Both maximum and minimum, same formula. But how to identify that? If a greater than 0, f of x has minimum, less than 0, maximum. Okay, right. Next, one shortcut formula. See here, if f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c divided by ax square minus bx plus c. Observe the numerator and denominator difference. Or ax square minus bx plus c divided by ax square plus bx plus c. In this expression, either numerator or denominator, whatever may be, discriminant is less than 0. Then how to find minimum and maximum value of the expression? Minimum and maximum value of f of x is given by f of plus or minus root c by a. F of plus or minus root c by f of minus root c by a is minimum value. F of plus root c by a is, so you can substitute there in place of x plus or minus root c by getting the answers. For suppose you got answer one is 8, another one is minus 9, like this. This is maximum value, this is minimum value. Yes or no? If you are getting doubt, by observing the number you can decide. Okay, but remember it shortcut formula. Here there are two conditions. Discriminant is less than 0, and observe that the given expressions in the form of like that. Next, one more shortcut formula here. If x is real, maximum and minimum values of a plus x into b plus x divided by c plus x. That means x greater than minus c, a greater than c, b greater than c. In this case, we can write directly maximum value. This is the formula under root a minus c minus under root b minus c whole square. Minimum value under root a minus c plus root b minus c whole square. Okay, so here maximum and minimum value the same formula, but small difference. What is the difference here? Here minus is there, here plus is there. Both the formulas looking same like that, but between the two terms sign is the different. Students understood? Right. Note down. Now in this concept I am going to discuss problems maximum and minimum related. Observe the expression f of x is equal to minus 5x square plus 2x plus 3. Here what is a value? Minus 5, less than 0. Negative now. B value 2, C value 3. If A less than 0, we get maximum value. Therefore, maximum value. What is the formula, students? 4AC minus B square divided by 4A. Substitute. 4. A value is minus 5. C 3 minus B square. B is 2 square divided by 4 into minus 5. Students, simplify this. 4 5s are 20 minus 60 minus 4 minus 20. See, this is 64 by 20. Numerator negative, denominator negative, cancel. Okay. 4 1s are 4 6 are 24. 4 5s are. So maximum value is 16 by 5. Fourth option, correct. At x is equal to, what is the formula? Minus b by 2a. They didn't ask that maximum value. Where it is maximum, they are asking. Okay. So by observing the a value, we have decided that the given expression has maximum value at x is equal to minus b by 2a. Substitute the values. Minus b means 2 by 2a. A value is minus 5. 2 cancel. We get answer 1 by 5. Second option, correct. Okay. 18th question. What they given here? Maximum value of that. So maximum value of 1 by 4x square plus 2x plus 1 is 1 divided by minimum value of 4x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay. So how to find minimum value of 4x square plus 2x plus 1? See, the given expression, we can write like this: 4x square plus 2x plus 1. What is a value here? 4. It is greater than 0. B, 2, greater than, so B no need to write greater than or less than. Just write the values. By observing A, we can write now. A is greater than 0. So the given expression has minimum. So minimum value, what is the formula? Same, 4AC minus B square by 4A. Those values substitute here. 4AC minus B square, 2 square divided by 4A, 4 into 4. 16 minus 4, 12 by 60. How much? 3 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 3 by 4. Minimum value of that. So what is the answer now, students? 4 by 3. First option, correct. Maximum value of 1 by 4x square plus 2x plus 1 is 1 by minimum value of 4x square plus 2x plus 1. So minimum value of the given expression is, we got 3 by 4 and just substituted here 1 by 3 by 4. That answer should be 4 by. X belongs to 2 comma 4. Then for the expression x square minus 6x plus 5. So f of x is equal to x square minus 6x plus 5. The given expression is the least value minus 4, greatest value 4, least value 3, greatest value -5, like that give. What is a value here? 1. It is greater than 0. So we get least value only. Minimum value. Minimum value. What is the formula? Minimum value. What is B here? -6. C 5. Apply the formula. 4AC. 4AC minus B square divided by 2A. 2 into A. See here, 20 minus 36 divided by 2. Not 2A, 4A now. 4A, sorry. Minus 16 divided by 4. That is -4. What is the least value now? -4. Least value, minimum value, same formula. Remember it. Greatest value, maximum value. This is a level 2 47th question, maximum and minimum related. Read the question carefully. If A and B are the roots of the equation x square plus ax plus b is equal to 0. So first we need to find sum of the roots and product of the roots. Okay, sum of the roots how much? -a. Product of the roots b. Okay, here we need to identify a and b value. See here, in this relation b is cancelled. We get a value 1. Understood? Now substitute a value here, 1 plus b, that is equal to -1. Finally, b value is how much? -2. -2. Those values substitute in the given expression. F of x is equal to x square plus ax plus b. Already we know that a value and b value. Substitute here, x square plus x minus 2. In this expression, observe that what is a? A is equal to 1. This is greater than 0. So the given expression has minimum, least value. Therefore, least value or minimum value, anyone, no problem. What is the formula, students? 4ac minus b square divided by 4a. Now see the calculation. -2 minus 1. 4 all -9 divided by 4. This is. Okay. Now which option correct? Second option correct. So here x square plus 1 by x square is equal to a, x minus 1 by x is equal to b, then least value of a by b, they're asking. A divided by b. See, first what is a value? X square plus 1 by x square. Then what is b value? X minus 1 by x. X square plus 1 by x square means, that is, we can write x minus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. Minus or plus? Plus. A square plus b square means I am written a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Okay. Why I am writing a minus b whole square only? Because denominator x minus 1 by x is there. There is a reason. Okay. Here x cancel. Remaining, see that split numerator and denominator. One term is going to cancel. remaining is x minus 1 by x plus 2 by x minus 1 by x. See, both are reciprocal to each other. That's why follow that arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean.